Hey, I'm Ty.
And I'm Gwen, and these are our daughters, Michaela and Aaliyah.
Now there's Asher, and we're the Rams.
We're childhood sweethearts who have built a life filled with faith, family, and adventure.
We've been living the American dream, but realized we wanted more to life and wanted to live our dreams. We have this crazy idea to pick up our family and take a leap of faith into new adventures.
Follow us as we start our journey into RV living, business building, homeschooling, dream chasing adventures.
Like, comment, subscribe, and come
roam with the Rams.
Hey guys, what's up? We've been in Lancaster for about a week and a few days. Very hot here. This morning I woke up at 5, got in the truck and cleaned all the inside out, detailed it. I just like to travel in clean vehicles, so I'm sure you guys are the same way. Gwen has the trailer clean. She's been keeping it clean. She cleaned it when we got here, so it's good. And as far as what we've done here while we were here, we've been hanging out and using the pool. Let's get working. So I mentioned it was hot. I thought Gwen was gonna do this, but she gets so focused. She's so organized that she forgot to film. When we do close up, we do have to slide our couch over about a foot so that it can clear the steps when it comes through. So let's check this out. That's coming in nicely. There's the cabinets. There's the steps. And that's how it works. Closing up. Okay, good. Let's go check it out.
Okay, so we spent like 10 days probably at my parents' house. So we're finally hitting the road. Ty wanted to drive the Grapevine. If you know the Grapevine, if you know, you know. And so he wanted to drive it at night, so that's why we left. It's 8 o'clock right now, and we are headed to Paso Robles. We have a movie on for the girls, and baby boy hopefully is falling asleep. We'll see you in the morning. Ty's hungry, and I didn't pack any snacks, minus some nuts.
All right, so we made it to Paso Robles last night at about 11:30. It was an awesome, smooth ride, not much traffic. We're all set up. I'll go ahead and show you guys our setup. It is June 29th today. They're making some avocado toast and, you know, getting the macros in.
Hi, I'm on YouTube, right?
So we've been in Paso Robles for now 4 or 5 days. 5 days. The weather here has been amazing. We went to the water park yesterday. We went to concert in the park on Thursday. Today we're going to Three Rivers, California, right next to Sequoia National Park.
Hey.
Is Sequoia a national park?
I don't know.
It's a national park, and that's where we're going today. Yeah. Travis? Say it.
Travis?
Oh, get over there.
No, well, my cheetah ones were the ones I had bought. They didn't have big size. Keep your shoes on, sweetheart. It's gonna work.
All right, good morning. This is our first morning at the Sequoia Ranch. We got to get ready so we can go for or actually go into the park. Sequoia National Park. Check it out. We still got sleepers though. You ready to go, Asher? You ready to go? Yeah? You ready to go? All right. Almost done. All right, we're gonna head over to Sequoia National Park and then we're gonna come back and hit the creek right here by our camping spot. It's got a cool little creek. It's a natural spring and there's some deeper swimming spots, some walking spots. So I think it's gonna be kind of fun. We got an apple eater back there. We got what are you eating, Aaliyah? Nothing? Okay, Aaliyah's not.
Apple.
And we're having a great time so far. This is our first day here and it's our only day here. We're checking out tomorrow. So we're just here for 2 nights, which is fine. It's a little bit warmer here right now. We're outside of the national park in Sequoia. This is Sequoia Ranch RV in 3 Rivers, California. So it's a little warmer. I think we're gonna climb up and then we're gonna enter the forest, which is like, you know, canopied in and it's a lot cooler. So we have our jackets. Well, we got sweaters and flannels and stuff like that. She's mocking me. So I'm gonna let her talk and say when I'm gonna go ahead and say something and she's gonna. So we're on our way. Let's do it.
Roam with the Rams.
Roaming with the Rams. So let's get on with it. Let's go.
Ride the shrine. Roam with the Rams.
Amen. Okay, let's go.
Goodbye, guys.
Okay, we checked out the visitor center. The girls got their Junior Ranger workbook. Show me. So they have to do 7 activities and then they can get their Junior Ranger badge for Sequoia. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Awesome. The General Sherman tree is by sheer volume of wood the largest known tree on Earth. From the parking lot or shuttle stop at the Wolverton Road, the 1-mile trail with interpretive signs leads down to the viewing area. This attraction can be crowded on summer weekends. Visit on a weekday or early in the morning for a quieter experience. Look at how is it ready? Oh my gosh, that is so adorable.
You probably slept on bed.
Okay, follow Dad.
So we are packing up and hooking up the trailer and leaving this campground, Sequoia Ranch RV. A very nice campground in the winter, I'm sure. Right now, it's pretty warm. We're only at about 800.5 feet in elevation. So as you're in the mountains, but it's just not cool. However, it's beautiful, and we got to see the big giant forest, the sequoias. And one thing I will remember about that is the smell. I loved the smell of that forest. It had a piney smell. Let's get on the road and make our way back to the coast, where we will be for a week or so.
Michaela, you're gonna ruin your tablet with all the sand.
Everybody's boss.
Well, I'm just saying.
Hey. Oh.
I'm not here. And where are the guys?
Going with the Gaudis.
I'm Pat. These are our two girls, Michaela and Aaliyah. Here, Asher.
Don't eat that sand. Don't eat it. Don't eat that binky now. Nope, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, you did it.